Hey guys, Aaron Cochran here by Tennessee Dirt. If you are new to the team, welcome. If you are part of the team for a while, welcome back. So, wanted to go over Zillow Premier Agent with you today. Zillow is a major contributor to our lead source right now. We purchase leads from Zillow, and we put a ton of money into them. So, as well as our preferred lender, also split some ad spend with us on this as well. So Zillow Premier Agent is different than Zillow. This is not the consumer side. This is the sales side of things. So as you guys know, when you go on Zillow or Realtor.com, you start clicking any buttons and you start looking at any properties. What's going to happen is they're going to take that lead information and they're going to sell it to another realtor. So um, let's get into this. So you click your name at the top right hand corner and go to inbox. It will take you to your inbox, which will show you all of your leads. So, and I will tell you that our Zillow account rep will do a full tutorial on how everything operates within Zillow and best practices within Zillow, so you get the most bang for your buck out of the platform. But this will just give you a taste so you understand what is available to you and you're not a deer in the headlights when it comes to additional learning. So this was a lead that came in. You'll see down here at the bottom that there is a recording option. All calls are recorded with Zillow for training purposes. Allows us to go back and review the phone call so that we can walk you through stuff on best practices and best ways to answer the phone and how to move stuff down your pipeline and all those types of things. So, because we want you to be successful and we want to make sure that the ad spend that we are spending is being beneficial to the team. So, once the call comes in, we'll set the appointment. AI is listening to this call for the first 2 to 3 minutes. And within those first 2 to 3 minutes, it is looking for you to start setting an appointment. So the name of the game with this is set an appointment, get in front of the client, show them the home, so on and so forth, write the contract, get it under contract. So in the top right hand corner, it'll tell you if it's a buyer or a seller. You can switch any of this at any point in time. And then it will come in as new since the system knew that we took a phone call because it handed us the call. It automatically spoke with customer. If it wouldn't have, it might have gone attempted contact, so on and so forth. So we actually have an appointment set with this client. We're showing them this afternoon, here in about 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half. But you'll move them down the pipeline. You want to have at least 5 touches with somebody, meaning that they've gone through 5 different stages of this attempted contact, you've made notes, so on and so forth. You can add notes in here if you're not making contact or even if you are making contact. But move them down your pipeline. That just gives us our best of Zillow reporting, which gives us additional ad spend. So move them down the pipeline. It'll tell you how long when they're looking to buy, so on and so forth. So, but all of these will be completely different. Some of them, let's say if I can find this one here didn't respond to us. This is what we would consider a nurture lead. And a nurture lead would be, we couldn't connect with them but here's their information. Feel free and reach out. Sometimes it's just a email address and a phone number. Sometimes it's a full name, all that type of stuff. So work the leads the best that you can. So you'll just move through these. You'll field the phone call. You can send messages. This one here, we can go through and reassign contacts, and I can reassign this to, let's say, Rachel. I can send it over to her. And then now it is in her inbox. And so it was an Aaron and Cassandra lead. It's how they always come in if we're the one that grabbed them, if it's not a jump ball. And then, but we can reassign them to anybody that's on the team. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for adding or for your invite to join Zillow Premier Agent so we can put you on the team and we can distribute leads. Our advertising right now, I'll give you an idea of where we're currently advertising, and we are constantly trying to grow and connect our markets. But we are advertising in these zip codes now and trying to connect our way up the I-24 corridor into Murfreesboro and surrounding areas. Right now, we're prominently down around Tullahoma, Winchester area. But Cassandra got some leads this morning in Wartrace and Beech Grove, and even in Manchester that she's showing today, while I am here doing training videos with you guys. So each of these will show you who's the top agent in that area, and what their spend is, how many connections we should get. These are live phone connections. These are additional connections, like our nurture leads that we talked about. So, and then when you're put in here, you will be advertised on as being on our team, and then we can go over and I can show you. You'll want to request reviews and all that type of stuff so that you guys can boost your rankings. We don't have a ton of reviews on Zillow as of right now. Most of our stuff is on Google, but we're trying to promote our stuff on here as well. And you'll see that we all carry the badge of top agent on Zillow. So again, we are greater than ourselves, so we should act accordingly. So make sure you fill out your bios in its entirety, and we will start getting you set up with leads. We'll get you set up so that you can do the full training with with our Zillow account rep, and we'll get that scheduled in the next few weeks. If you are new to our team, if you haven't taken it, or if you'd like to retake it, it is completely free of charge. Just speak up so that we can get that information over to you. So that is Zillow Premier Agent, and we hope you're having a great week. Hope you continue to have a great week, and happy selling.